Cats scratch for several reasons, and it's not just to annoy their human friends. It's a way for them to keep their claws healthy, build muscle strength, and also mark their territory. When your cat scratches, they're releasing pent-up energy or coping with stress, which is super important for indoor cats that may not have enough stimulation. Recognizing these reasons helps you respond with empathy instead of irritation. Next, let's talk about what features to look for in a good scratching post. Many options sold in stores don't quite cut it, often being too small or shaky for proper use. An ideal scratching post should be tall enough for your cat to stretch fully, sturdy enough to endure their vigorous scratching, and covered in materials that they find appealing, like sisal or cardboard. By offering both vertical and horizontal scratching surfaces, you'll cater to your cat's unique preferences and instincts, encouraging them to choose their designated areas over your furniture. Now, let's discuss how important placement is for these scratching posts. A common mistake among cat owners is hiding them in corners or out of sight, thinking their cats will just find them. Instead, it's crucial to position scratching posts where your cat already loves to scratch, like next to the sofa, in their favorite lounging area, or nearby windows for a view. Cats are creatures of habit. Making their scratching post readily accessible significantly boosts the chances they'll prefer it over your treasured furniture. Once they start using it consistently, feel free to move it to a better spot if necessary, reinforcing their good habits along the way. Sometimes, despite your efforts, your cat might still favor your furniture over their scratching posts. This could be due to the fabric's texture being more satisfying under their claws. To help with this, consider using clear scratch guards or pet-safe double-sided tape on the spots they target most. Cats generally dislike sticky surfaces, so this tactic could spur them to redirect their scratching behavior toward appropriate objects instead. If they feel the stickiness on their favored spots, they'll likely be motivated to look for satisfying alternatives. Another important aspect is regular exercise. Indoor cats, especially those who spend lots of time inside, might get bored and restless, leading to more scratching. Regular playtime with your cat is vital to help ease this boredom. You use fun toys like feather wands or laser pointers to keep them active. These enjoyable sessions provide not just physical exercise but also mental stimulation, helping to curb unwanted scratching while they burn energy in healthier ways. Additionally, rotating their toys periodically keeps things fun and exciting, sparking their interest and keeping them lively throughout the day. To further improve your cat's environment, consider addressing stressors that may heighten scratching behavior. Changes in routine, new pets, or even moving homes can create anxiety for your furry friend. Providing a calm, secure space can make a world of difference. Create cozy hiding spots, use cat trees to help them feel elevated, and maintain regular feeding schedules to create stability at home. Sometimes, pheromone diffusers suggested by your vet may help reduce stress levels effectively. You might be curious about the best methods to maintain your cat's claws. Regular nail trims are essential to minimize furniture damage while allowing your cat to engage in their natural scratching behavior. It's a good idea to trim just the sharp tips of their claws every few weeks, ensuring not to cut too close to the quick, which could cause pain. If you feel unsure about the trimming technique, don't hesitate to reach out to your veterinarian for help. As we look at more solutions, let's consider soft nail caps, which provide an alternative to traditional claw management. These caps cover the sharp ends of your cat's claws, allowing them to scratch naturally while protecting your furniture. However, it's essential to apply them correctly. Improper placement can be uncomfortable for your cat, so regular checks and replacements are necessary to keep them effective and comfy. By offering gentle alternatives, you can allow your cat to satisfy their scratching needs while keeping your belongings safe. Training your cat to scratch the right surfaces takes a bit of patience and consistency. Steer clear of harsh methods like yelling or spraying water, as that can instill fear. Instead, Concentrate on rewarding your cat when they choose their scratching post. Keep them engaged with fun toys and provide multiple scratching options in different locations to cater to their needs. By understanding the significance of scratching for your cat's well-being, you can put effective strategies into action to protect your furniture while ensuring your feline friend remains happy and healthy. Embrace this journey of understanding, and before long, your home will feel harmonious for both you and your cherished pet.